So the original plan was to go over to the other side again, but
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing.
with all this rain going on, chances of having a fun day seemed pretty slim. That is, until I met her.
Say nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me.
I mean, it's pretty in its own way, but compared to sunny Istanbul, rainy Istanbul is a lot less worth it. This, I assume, is the Taksim Mosque. Finally, in Taksim Ghazi Park, I'm going to explore around Ertuğrul, and then I'll sit somewhere and write my scripts for the videos you'll already have watched when this comes out.
Dream of me. Say nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone, blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss.
There's this church that you can see from Taksim and only the square itself. If you move towards Istiklal, it disappears. So today, I'm gonna find a way in.
So the church is closed, but I'm still kind of surprised like no one is here taking pictures or whatever. Like literally I am the only person right here right now. And the exterior is amazing.
When I found myself alone in the courtyard, this idea suddenly hit me that I was actually completely alone right now. No friends, no family, and I didn't know anyone here. I was completely on my own. Even though a part of me completely loved this, I started feeling lonely today. Maybe it was just because I couldn't go to the other side and I was stuck in Taksim. But either way, I called some people I knew in Istanbul to meet sometime before the week ended. And rain or no rain, I was taking the bridge tomorrow and going over to the other side.
Finally, in Taksim Ghazi Park, I'll explore around Ertuğrul, and then I'll sit somewhere and write my scripts for What the